Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Inside this video, I just found a new Presale project. This is PepeNode, a Presale project, mine-to-earn meme coin. So lots of things available inside the website, inside the white paper. Even we will talk about the listing, when we will see exchange listing, even about the Tokenomics, about the USDT fund, even the whole thing I will cover inside this video. The special thing is about the stacking reward. If you stack this token, you will get 2663%. So the whole thing I will share inside this video, I can say this is one of the best research project. The mining, even about the upgrading the facilities, buy meme coin nodes, earn meme coins, the whole thing, everything I'm gonna share inside this video. So watch this video and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Presale project, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, even about the Pi network, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So welcome to PepeNode, Presale project, mine to earn meme coin. In the market, in the crypto market, there are lots of Presale projects like Bitcoin Hyper, Best Wallet, even Snorter. Somehow you can find Mix Dodge, lots of Presale project. But which one is the best? I will show you inside this video. Which one I can say there are lots of Presale project with different team members, with different target, with different vision. So the thing is, by watching this channel, you will get one of the best Presale project. So welcome to PepeNode, Presale project, a new Presale project in the market. If you check the white paper, inside the white paper, the whole thing available. If I scroll down, so this is the project overview. So boring mining models, week early incentives, very few mining solutions that don't require extensive hardware and electricity. So this is the one. This is the one, mine to earn meme coin. By mining, you're just earning the token. The more token you hold inside your wallet, I can say you can upgrade facilities, you can upgrade your mining, you can earn more tokens. So PepeNode lets you build your own virtual meme coin mining. So buy nodes, build your server room, combine nodes for huge bonuses. Okay, there are 3 points. The first one is buy meme nodes. If you purchase meme nodes, it means that you purchase the token. And the second one is upgrade facilities. The third one is earn meme coin. Okay, so the thing is about the white paper. The PepeNode's solutions are gamified virtual mining, third node rewards, post TGE launch, and then smart contract. Okay, so one thing I should show you in here. So this is about the roadmap. The first thing is about the pre-sale launch. Finally the pre-sale launch in the market. I can say in the month of July, but I think in the month of July, the project just launched in the market. But the first thing is to begin public pre-sale. The pre-sale is live. Now you can purchase the token. You can stack it inside the official website. This is the staking dashboard. By staking, you will get 2,663% reward. I can say the staking reward is too much. Make sure, give it a try. Give it a try. The link is below in the description if you want to purchase this pre-sale project. Okay, simply connect your wallet, any of your wallet. Although I will show you later inside this video how to purchase, how to connect your wallet. The link is below in the description. So by staking, you will get 2,663% reward. Already 296 million is stacked inside the official website. Okay, then the phase 2 is about the token generation event, official launch of the PepeNode token, open access to virtual server room, builder and miner node purchasing. So activate staking rewards and then finalize decentralized listing. So in the phase 2, we will see the listing of this project. Although about the launching, let me show you here. Yeah, you can see the listing and trading. So PepeNode targets listing on top tier exchanges beginning in Q4 2025, Q1 2026. It means that at the end of this year, we might see the listing of this project. If not this year, in the next year, at the starting, at the beginning of 2026, we will see the listing of this Presale project inside the top exchange listing. It can be. Buenos, it can be KuCoin, it can be OKX, it can be Bybit, it can be Kraken, many more exchanges. Okay, so and then if we go back to the roadmap, so further we have about the virtual mining activation and then meme coin integration and expansion. There will be some integration with Pepe, with Farcoin, with some other meme coin, expand node types, boost mechanics, and strategy layers. Okay, this is the roadmap. The supply is not that much. If we check the Tokenomics, so the supply is only 210 billion. So 210 billion already minted. So and then if we go back to different things available inside the white paper about the web application, the mining dashboard, the wallet integration, the future application. This is all the application of this project. Checking the white paper, I can say the project, the ecosystem looks amazing. PepeNode follows a gamified staking model. Okay, let's go back to the official website. Inside the official website, I will show you how to purchase this token. Although the link is below in description. So in here you can see 8 hours remaining until next preset stage. So simply, if you click on buy with crypto, so there are 4 options: best wallet, wallet connect, MetaMask, best wallet. So it's up to you with which wallet you want to purchase this token. Make sure you have USDT inside your wallet in order to purchase this token. So this is the latest transaction. Check in here, the latest transaction. People are purchasing this token. Audit already completed. Okay, so the price is 0.2 times rose 10. For now, 593,000 just rest in the Presale project. So once the 700 complete, so we will see the next Presale stage. So now let's go to some here inside the website, about, okay, 3 things. So PepeNode brings gamified meme coin mining to the masses. No physical computing power required. PepeNode allows you to build customized meme coin mining in your own virtual server room. More nodes, more meme coins. Of course, if you have more nodes, you will have more tokens. So the first thing is buy nodes. With the link below in the description, you can purchase it. Upgrade facility or meme coin. And then we have how to mine your server room. So in here, and the second one is about buy your first node. The third one is combine your nodes, and then the fourth one is sell your nodes. This is how this project works. That's why saying that mine to earn. There are slip to earn, mine to earn, tap to earn, different category. Okay, so then we have how to purchase this token. There are some steps you can check about the media, about the Tokenomics, about the roadmap. So everything available inside the website. Make sure to check this Presale project. Somehow I can say the ecosystem looks amazing. Simply give a try. You can go with $100, you can go with $200. But again, I'm not your financial advisor. This video is only for educational purpose. So I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. This is all about a PepeNode, a new Presale project. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Will you purchase it or no? Or let me know in the comment section any Presale project that you know about that. Let me know in the comment section. So I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. So this video is end up in here. Till the next video. Goodbye. See you.